How to fix Mydlink camera keeps going offline. Fix 1. Ensure a stable internet connection. Power cycle both your camera and Wi-Fi router. Turn off both devices, wait for about a minute, then turn them back on. Allow the router to fully restart before powering the camera back on. This can help re-establish a stable connection. Fix 2. Reboot the camera and router. Rebooting the Mydlink camera. Make sure the camera is plugged in and powered on. Using a paper clip, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds and then release. The camera will reboot. Rebooting the router. Unplug your router from the power source. Leave your router unplugged for at least a minute. Plug your router back into the power source. Wait until the lights turn back on. Fix 3. Update Mydlink firmware. Updating the Mydlink camera firmware. Open the Mydlink app on your smartphone or tablet. Select your camera from the device list. If a firmware update is available, a prompt will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the update. Fix 4. Check power supply. Check that the camera's power source is stable. A faulty power cable or adapter can cause the camera to disconnect. Try using a different power cable or adapter to rule out this possibility. Fix 5. Reduce wireless interference. Other wireless devices can interfere with the camera's connection. Ensure the camera is placed away from devices like microwaves, cordless phones, or other electronics that may cause interference. Fix 6. Factory reset Mydlink camera. Ensure the camera is powered on. Locate the reset button. Press and hold the reset button. While the camera is powered on, press and hold the reset button for 6 to 10 seconds. Release the button after this time. The camera will reboot, and its settings will return to factory defaults. Reconfigure the camera. Open the Mydlink app. Tap the plus icon or Add Device option in the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your camera. This typically involves scanning the QR code on the camera or entering its serial number. Once added, you can set up your camera's preferences, such as motion detection, recording schedules, and notification settings.